Hello, everybody. Today we're going to read an excerpt from a story called The Talking Trees of Timberwood. Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a beautiful forest filled with all kinds of wonderful trees. Now these weren't any ordinary trees because every single one of them could talk. Yes, you heard me right, they could talk. But they only talked to each other, and they kept their voices a secret from all the animals and people who lived nearby. Deep within this magical forest was a tiny cottage made of twigs and leaves. And inside that cottage lived the tiniest tree in the whole forest. His name was Timothy, and he had the biggest dream in the world. He wanted to be a storyteller. Timothy would spend his days listening to the wind rustling through his branches and the birds singing in the trees. And at night, he would look up at the stars and dream of faraway lands. One day, while Timothy was practicing his storytelling skills, a wise old owl named Athena flew down from her branch to listen to him. Now Athena was a very busy owl, so this was a huge compliment. "You have a gift, young Timothy," she hooted softly. "A gift for storytelling. You can take your stories to the human world." Timothy's eyes widened in surprise. "But Athena, the humans might cut down my branches, or worse, they might chop down my whole tree to make paper out of me. I'm not sure if I can risk it." Athena flew closer to Timothy. She said, "Don't be afraid, little tree. The humans won't hurt you. In fact, they will love your stories." Just then, a little girl named Lily skipped into the clearing where Timothy lived. She was known throughout the forest as the Whisperer, because she understood the language of the animals. "Hello, Timothy," she said with a smile. "Athena told me you have a wonderful story to share." Timothy took a deep breath and began to speak. "Once upon a time, in a faraway land," he started, and he told Lily all about the magical talking trees of Timberwood. As Timothy spoke, the forest came alive with the sound of his voice. The birds sang along with him, and the wind whispered through his branches. By the end of the story, Lily was in tears. "Oh, Timothy," she cried, "I wish I could tell everyone in the world about your amazing stories." Just then, Athena hooted softly. "Why don't you record them, Lily? That way you can share Timothy's stories with the whole world." Now, you might be wondering what an owl and a little girl and a tiny tree are doing hanging out together. Let me tell you, they were the best of friends. And together, they came up with the perfect plan. Every day after school, Lily would come to the forest and record Timothy's stories. She sat down in front of the tree, put her headphones on, and hit record. Then Timothy would start his story, and the forest would come alive with sound. Together they recorded stories about brave knights and magical creatures in faraway lands. And when they were finished, Lily took the recordings to the local library and played them for everyone who would listen. Soon, everyone in town was talking about the magical talking trees of Timberwood. People came from all around to hear Timothy's stories, all because one little tree dared to follow his dreams. The end. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. And as always, remember, the most extraordinary adventures are just a story away.